Chairman cum Managing Director CMD ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL, Sanjay Goyal hak arpue trik jiliu. Ula pentip basyan ansa pyntreikam ki kyndon, ban tehlakam ki kali ke bakit palat ka jingkieng, kiba lingba ka jingkieng Umiam, hadin balada ban maramat ka jingkieng, bat senapan klan ka dam. Habakran sa kila patay kubor, ugoyal ulaong, ka jingbu kyndon halor ka kit kaba jangki kali kyndon bed. Ngan penpau da kabasya ba kani ka jing senapan klan ka dam, bat ka jingkieng kalong kamtam ban penne ka kumba ka de ban long. Kanang bakan amdan syu ka jingjulor kani ka jingtay hadien habut. Ula ong ru, ngidang emerging mud bat ka Indian Institute of Technology IIT Guwahati, bat ngin sa penmi ka jingpen bena ha kabaya day bat ka jingper king kyndon ki kali ki jingkit kibaya lingba kani ka jingkieng hadien bala pendaplut ki jing baro, bat ngin persyang ban penti kena bakan don ka jingbut renti kani ka jingpen jari kyndon. Nalor kata ula ong ru bana kalyang katanat, kalabu ru daki CCTV kamera, kanang ban penti kena bagi kali ki bakit palat ka jingkya, kim de syu ban lingba kani ka dam. Kani kade ka jingtay jong upat ba, bat ka jingtmu jong kani ka jingtay kalong ban penyaso. Tu nginamle satya kanu ka kam, kaban wanra ka jingpen julor ka jingkieng, bat bu ha ka jingma. Lingba jong pi nga kwa ban ong ba kani kamut ba menta, kani ka jingkieng kalapli baro ki jat kali bakin lut, ong ugoyal. Kani ka project kabala penut hadu kumba arpusaw hadu arpusan kelur, lapan kre ban pendap no kat hadu kalai pui terik unaitung uban wan.
As of now, it is one way at one time. We are taking a maybe block of 5 minutes each side or 7 minutes each side, depending on the traffic at that point of time. And we are one part of the one side we have almost completed, the other side is in the process of getting it done. So I'm sure with this, if the weather holds a bit, we should be in a position to do the concreting part and we should be in a position to complete it within July. So IIT, wherein we need to do some works still, but that is not going to impact any traffic because we'll be doing it from beneath the bridge.
What is exactly?
Those are again small bit of retrofitting works only, just to ensure that we get some more life into the bridge. But that is in an initial stage of getting evaluated by the IIT, and after that we'll maybe take it up by floating in tender kind of. Rehabilitation of the dam and retrofitting of the bridge and everything will be completed at the same time, which I mentioned. By July end, I think we should be in a position to clear everything. Retrofitting would be the right word or not, I'm not very sure, but IIT is Guwahati and the team are doing it. And this is slightly a different kind of work, which is a specialized work. And we should be in a position to come up with the details in the days to come. But I have mentioned that it is nothing to do with the current work and it is not going to impact the traffic movement at all, because we will be doing it from beneath the bridge and we will be doing it without hindering any traffic movement. The only peculiarity with Umiam was that it is used as a traffic medium also. Other projects are our standalone projects, so there is no issue of any blockade of the traffic and all. So that's how Umiam has come into sort of like news because of the traffic movement. Otherwise, it is a general normal rehabilitation work which we are doing it in the other. I will not be in a position to tell you figures right away, but this project is not only about the dam, it entails lot many other activities. Rehabilitation of the dam is one part of it, which is the major part of it, and different projects have different different amounts for that. This one for the Umiam, I'm not very sure, but it is, I think, some 20-25 crores depending on. See, this all is been monitored by the Central Water Commission and the central level team. All the DPRs and the works to be taken are being vetted by them, and experts are engaged to oversee the work and see the quality of the work as well as the requirement of the work. So we are doing it a bit professionally, and I'm hopeful that After this work, we will be achieving the mandate which we are actually planning to have it through this project. This rehabilitation work has been done, and let me make it very clear, is to sustain at the level at which it is, so that no more damage happens to the structure from now onwards. But that will not mean that we open this dam for unlimited load restrictions. So load restrictions definitely would be there. We are in consultation with the IIT, and we will be coming out with the load restriction notifications after the rehabilitation work is over, and we will try to ensure that these restrictions are adhered to. The department has set up the CCTV cameras also, so that those heavy vehicles and heavy load vehicles do not pass through this dam. This is a public infrastructure, and the purpose of this infrastructure is to provide connectivity, and let us not do anything which entails any further damage or put it at risk. So this, through you, I'd like to say that it doesn't mean that now this dam is now open for any kind and any type of traffic.